Because we're teaching hip hop to grade 1 and 2, we need to know the 4 grooves of hip hop. So what are these? This is the basic groove which are used in every step that we do in hip hop. Let's start the first. Let me tell you the 4. Upbeat, downbeat, drop beat and bounce beat. What is upbeat? Very simple. So we say and 1. Sorry, upbeat is going up. So we go and 1, and 2, and 3. So accent is while going up. Yeah. So that is upbeat. Downbeat is accent is down. So you say and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Yeah. So upbeat accent is up, downbeat accent is down. The third one is drop beat. Drop beat is nothing but whenever you hear hip hop music and you hear a boom, a big beat. So when you hear a big beat, you cannot do a small move. So in the big beat, you have to do a big move. So all of a sudden, when a big move comes, it's called a drop beat. So you go, say like example, when you did Dougie, right? So you can do 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you're moving, you say yes, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch, boom, boom. Yeah, you remember, I like to move it, I like to move it, I like to move it. The first I like to move, the fourth I like to move it is a big one. So that is drop beat. Any move which you make it really big and then you make it subtle is called drop. The fourth groove is, what is it? Bounce beat. Bounce beat is nothing. Any step in hip hop, when you lift your leg, all those steps are categorized in bounce beat. Yeah. So if you're doing upbeat, downbeat, you will not lift the leg, right? As soon as you lift your leg, this step is called bounce beat. It could be a running man. Yeah. It could be a side together. It could be out and in. All the steps where you lift the feet off the floor is called bounce beat. Upbeat, downbeat, drop beat, bounce beat. Apart from this 4 groove, there is something which is another very important in hip hop is body rock. So body rock is nothing but you rock your body. Yeah, so a lot of step you do, you rock your body. So a lot of time in hip hop, you just rock your body and keep moving. Even if you do side together, you can rock your body, see? Or even if you do side together, you can bounce. So you can use this groove in different step. Now, a lot of time people say there are 2 kind of rock, body rock also. One is forward, 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 forward. One is back, 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 back. So all this groove, we keep doing it between the steps which we perform in hip hop. So you can use this groove as a warm up with children where you do all of them together and keep doing different arms, different legs while grooving the upper body.